Good evening, everyone. This is my presentation on TLE6. Our topic for today is general analysis. This is the type of general analysis: dictionary, thesaurus, encyclopedia, atlas, almanac, and lastly is periodical. Dictionary is a book of recorded words of a particular language arranged in alphabetical order. Thesaurus is a book that records words that are similar or related. An atlas is a book that tells the extent, distance, and location of a place. It contains important information about different people, things, and events. Almanac gives various information about the upcoming years. And lastly is a periodical, a paper that contains news information and advertisement.